Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. The giveaway results are finally here. I know that many of you have been waiting to hear who the winners are, but first I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who joined, and also all of you who continue supporting this channel. I've been thrilled to see how many filmmakers are experimenting with cinematic look and also even using my LUTs to bring their vision to life. Hearing all the positive feedback about the pack truly means a lot. It kind of reminds me that the time, effort, and also knowledge that I put into creating these LUTs is paying off for the community. And also here's a little surprise. I originally said 5 winners, but after receiving so many thoughtful comments and messages, I've decided to add one more slot to the winners list. So the total number will be 6 this time. So now, let's get to it and find out who's taking home the full Mediabee Cinematic LUT pack. Alright, now it is time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the drawing. In total, there were 489 participants in this giveaway. A few people had left duplicate comments, so I went through and removed those to make sure everyone had a fair shot. That leaves us with 489 unique entries on the wheel. Now, we'll spin it 6 times to find our winners. Each time I hit the button, a new name will appear, and those will be the lucky ones who get the full cinematic LUT pack. Let's go! And there it is. Congratulations to Act Camera Direct. Let's go again. And our second winner is Archie Arrozo 5326. Well done, my friend. Here comes number 3. Congratulations, Hair Photography. Alright, spin number 4. And it's D3 Double Thumb. You did it, my friend. Now 5th winner. And there it is. Congratulations. I don't know if I can read this, but I'll try. Taurus Potter RD, I guess that's it. But anyway, yeah, you did it, my friend. You won it. And finally, our surprise 6th winner is Tennessee Mood 711. A huge congratulations to all 6 of you. I can't wait to see what you create with these LUTs. Now, to claim your prize, please reach out to me on Instagram at Mediabee Color Lab or Colorist İlker. Just send me a screenshot of your YouTube page showing your username, along with a screenshot of my channel showing that you're subscribed. Once I get that, I'll send you your LUT pack. To everyone who joined the giveaway, thank you so much. Your support and comments mean the world, and this community is what makes Mediabee Color Lab such a special place. By the way, if you didn't win this time, don't worry. There will be more opportunities in the future. And of course, you can always explore the cinematic LUT pack if you're looking to add that filmic touch to your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial, giveaway, or cinematic breakdown. Thanks again for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.